everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Basic Tech Tutorials. So my name is Erin, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be showing you how to add one or two multiple email accounts onto the Gmail app. The reason why I use Gmail for, whether it be Yahoo, obviously Gmail, or Outlook / Hotmail and MSN email accounts is because it kind of keeps it all in one. If you do have a business and you've got multiple email addresses that you need to keep up with and be notified about, whatever it may be, I always use the Gmail app only because it is so straightforward and so easy to use. So let's get started. So grab your email address, grab your password, let's get ready. So what we want to do is, this is for the Android device. So with your Android, all you want to do is, in order to download it, I will show you how to do that just quickly. Let me just cancel updates. It's asking me to sign in. Basically what's going to happen here is I'm just going to easily put in my Basic Tech Tutorials email address. You guys can contact me on that if you really need to, but let's get started. So right now, what we're wanting to do is, if this is a brand new phone, if you've already got the Gmail app, that's fine. Just skip about 2 minutes and that's totally fine. I'll put an annotation just on the video right here, just so you can skip to it if you already have a Gmail account. If you don't, stay with me, that's totally fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in, I'm going to sign into my Play Store. Alright, put everything in. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're just going to say, yep, I'm in. Sorry, it gets a bit touchy. Yes, I'm in. Agree. Yeah, of course we want to back up, so I'll just press accept to go through all of this installation thing. Alright, so we're ready to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the top where it says search for apps and games. So we're going to type in Gmail. Okay, just press enter. We want to go here, instead of where it says update, which is of course, because I already have the Gmail on there, it's going to say install. Just click install. Mine says update. It's totally fine. I'll just skip that. Alright. So it's just installing. Alright. So once it's installed, what we want to do is we want to press open. So let's open it and we'll start from there. Welcome. Blah, blah, blah. I'm just going to do compact just to make it all easier. We want all the emails not in separate folders. Gmail comes with promotion, social, and updates. We just keep it as compact. Unless you really want everything categorized, it's totally up to you. If you run a business, you're probably best to keep it as compact. Otherwise, just go with the default. It doesn't matter. All right. So how it works, because we've signed in automatically to the Play Store, the email address gets set up straight away. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start from the very beginning and I'm going to add another email account. So this time I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with Gmail. So I'm going to add another Gmail account just so I can show you multiple accounts, okay? So where we're going to go is we're going to go to the 3 lines up the top here. We're going to scroll all the way down the bottom till you get to settings. We'll go into settings and we'll go to add account. All right, you want to do this for every single account that you want to add. Okay, for now I'm going to add another Gmail account. First we'll go to add a Gmail. Now, if you've already got an email set up, let's say it's your personal, right? When you first get your Android phone and you first sign in to the Google services, which that's what Android is, it's powered by Google. Let's say you want to add a business Gmail, right? So apart from your personal, we want to add a business. So let's go with so we want to type that in. We want to put in the email address, password again, agree again, check in info. It's going to load the messages, and I'll show you what happens when we want to keep them separate or if we want to see all of the inboxes all together. Okay. Once that loads and does what it needs to do. All right. Okay. See how it says all inboxes? So what we want to do is we want to click on that so we can see it's obviously loading my email. Now that's already worked. So this is, a few emails from my personal one. Then we've got these ones that have come in a little bit earlier, but they are mixed. Okay, so they're not ordered, they're just all by time and everything. So everything will show up from top to bottom, so newest to oldest in all of the inboxes. All right. So what we want to do is, in order to separate them, we want to go primary. Now your primary is the first one that you put in, okay? In order to go to the secondary or third or whatever you want, like I just did, you click on this little logo here, which is my logo for Basic Tech Tutorials. We want to click on that and we want to go to personal one. We want to go to the personal one. I want to see what's coming in. Now currently at the moment this is not compact, so this is what I was talking about before. Updates, promotions, social. Alright, so these are all of my personal emails. Maybe I want to add another one. So you can go either way. You can go settings up here and scroll all the way down the bottom, all the way past the folders, which obviously I've got a lot of folders in my personal one. You don't want to always go to settings, so let's click on the logo, the photo of me. Let's go to add an account. All right. You can also go to manage accounts, which will let you remove, will let you add. Like, it doesn't matter. If you want to remove, just click on the email address that you want to remove and then just remove it. Otherwise, add an account. So basically, this is exactly the way on how you add it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to add the Hotmail. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to add a website email address. So if you've got hosting and you've got an email address that you want on your phone and you're sick of logging in through the webmail aspect through the browser, instead you want it to automatically come into your account from your business website. So for example, let's go with admin@checkeredbobcat.com.au, which is a local business here. So what we want to do is we always want to go to IMAP. Now what IMAP does is that it will reflect that you've sent an item, that you've read an email, that you've deleted it from, this application, and it'll then reflect on your inbox that's with the host server, right? The people that host your business website. Okay, so let's put this in. POP3, basically what POP3 does that you saw before was even though you've read it, it will constantly keep saying that it's unread, and it will keep sending it back into the inbox even if you've deleted it. You don't want that. That's annoying. Okay, so you put incoming server, you need it to be admin@checkeredbobcat.com.au, or your business, your password, and the server needs to be mail mail dot the website name, okay? Certificate not valid, go to advanced, and we want to accept it, which is proceed anyway. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and click proceed anyway. All it is that on the web, oh, okay, that's all right, that's fine, I'll fix that up. Sorry, so I'll just correct that. So it is, all right. The server is what everyone gets incorrect. So it has to be mail dot your website. All right. Outgoing server needs to be the same, right? SMTP is mail dot website name. Again, proceed anyway. Okay, so once it's loaded, what you want to do is you want to, personalize your notifications. So your sync frequency. So this means how often do you want it to ask the server if there's new email accounts. Now keep it at the lowest one as possible because you want to be instant, especially with your business. So every 15 minutes is what I'm going to put. You want to do notify me when email arrives. Of course you want to do that. You want to sync the email for this account. You want to automatically download attachments. When you untick that, it will download via your attachments. You'll have to manually click if you're not on Wi-Fi. So we just want to keep it ticked. So let's keep it at that. All right. All right. So we want to call this, obviously this is Steve. Your name is Stephen. So we want to do, Stephen Atkinson, for example. All right, so we want to go next. All right, there it is. Perfect, easy, so simple. All right, now what we want to do is we want to go back. We want to go to the little icon up here. Let's go back to this main one. What have we got? Now, currently at the moment in the background, it may take a little bit for, the new server email address to load. You can see that it's syncing. You can see that they're downloading here. So we just want to click on it. It's the same thing to navigate around. It's no massive thing. All right. So basically, that is really all you need to know on how to add it to your Android device. Once everything is, sunk, you won't really need to touch anything. It's pretty much just leave it. It'll do its thing. All good. All right. All right. Well, that about does it. Thank you so much for tuning in to Basic Tech Tutorials. Again, my name is Erin, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye.